gonna be hard to clean because look at this. You have to take all of this out and cut it, so it's gonna be like small pieces. I'll be back. Maya. Leave it for about 30 minutes again, 32. If you leave it overnight, that's better. But you know what? We'll have time for that. Put about 15 ounces of water. I don't know if I'm gonna need it all, so I put the carrots again, the bell peppers, half of Maggi, a piece, and that's it. And that's all that's in there. I'm gonna cover it, and I put some oil in there too. I'm gonna cover it. It's optional for the oil. I'm just gonna cover it and put it on high, and I'm gonna let it boil for about 15 minutes or so. The meat is not gonna be cooked yet, but I'm gonna need the water so I can make the sauce. The first water, I'm gonna need it to make the sauce and to make my rice also, because I'm gonna make black rice for you guys. You want your food to taste good. But it's all going for the rice that I'm making. What I'm gonna do after that is to check to see how cooked the meat is and how much water I have to put before I fry it. It's not quite there yet. Almost ready. So I'm probably gonna put about 10 ounces of water. check. I actually put another 15 ounces of water. Great, now it's totally cooked. That's good. Now I'm just gonna fry it and make the sauce. I could actually put the oil in there and fry it. Maybe that would be best. Let me do that instead. But my problem is with the cold oil. If you want, you can do that. If not, it doesn't matter. The oil gonna cook. I'm just gonna put that much to cook it, to fry it instead of going back and forth. I'm gonna fry it, put it back, and make the sauce. Let me see how it tastes. Very nicely. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them and put them in here. If you were to just having a goat meat with plantain, fried plantain, and pickles, you would have to get a separate pot and just do it. You do not want to do it like that. It gives you much more colors also. So it's finished frying. I'm just gonna transfer that. You love your bawang mo yan? Okay?
From there?
I'm gonna put it back up. Okay, now the tomato paste is frying, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some coconut cream. Fry. I'm gonna put 20 ounces of water. Well, before I do that, let me just do this. Oh, I love the sound. I love the sound of this. Okay. There you go. 20 ounces of water. And then I'm gonna put the half Maggi. Remember the other half I put it on the meat when I was preparing it. It's going to have a little bit of Maggi again, but it's gonna be on the onion that I'm preparing for it. Now I'm putting the thyme, still on medium. And the onion is also gonna have some lime in it. I'm gonna put some of the pepper so it can cook, because this is not gonna take long before it's done. Usually at about 15, put 20 ounces, about 15 ounces to stay for the sauce. So I'm just gonna put that in. I really should wait until it starts boiling, but you know what, it doesn't matter. Okay. No, go. Did daddy give you the juice? Go tell him to give you the juice. Where is it? Okay, we're just gonna let that come to a boil, and then I'm gonna come back. Video starting. Video starting, so stop talking to me. Okay, now it comes to a boil. Remember, I have the onions with a little bit of Maggi and some lime juice prepared. So when it comes to a boil, what I'm gonna do, remember the water when it first boils, so I'm just gonna put some over here right now. So we still have the same taste of the gold boiling, and the rest I'm gonna put it in the rice, because I'm gonna cook rice. This is enough for that one. The rest is for the... It's coming very nicely, and make sure your goat is cooked. It's perfect. I'm gonna let it boil again, and then I'm gonna put the meat and the onions, and then good to go. I'll catch you back later. Okay, so you cannot really see. Okay, this is what's going on. I'm just gonna put the meat down. If you like, you can just leave some of the meat out, but let me just leave that for the sir in the house. Okay, and then for 5 to 10 minutes again on low. For 5 to 10 minutes on low, I'm just gonna put the onion. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'll come back when it's finished. I put the onion, and then I'll just come back and show you what it looks like. Thank you. Okay, now it's still boiling. It was, so I'm just gonna, basically sauce is ready. That's the line. And you just put your onions. Once I put my onions in my sauce, I automatically turn off the fire, because I want the crunch. I want the crunch in the onion. So what's gonna happen, if you can serve more good videos like this. Thank you.